Hi, Brother Blizzard. It's Jennifer Ruggles. I wanted to show you my enhancement number 7. So I thought first you could log in with administrator rights. So you can see I've lost the user level. I've added the update account link, and I have a header and some information for my products link. You can see it here under my note to add links for users with a level greater than 1. And if I go here, you can see my valid HTML. And how this is sticky. We're going to go ahead and log in as our level 1 user. So you can see my link is still there, but there's no other information. You can still see my note, but there's no HTML because that was added with PHP. So we're going to update this information. First, we're not going to change anything, and you can see my error. Nothing changed. But we'll change this name and update the account, and it takes me back to the admin page with the note. Your account was successfully updated. So let's go work on the password. First, I'll do a password that doesn't meet the criteria, and it gives me my client side. I can click no validate and try again. It gives me my server side. So I'll try that with an appropriate password form. You can see here my password was successfully updated. I'm going to go ahead and log out and then log back in with my new password. I also wanted to show you that if you put in an email that's already existent, it gives the appropriate error message there as well. I think that's everything that you need to see.